Okay, so I am out on Eufaula Lake today. Hopefully the wind don't pick up any more than what it is. I'm kind of in a protected area right now. But we're out here after the big floods in Oklahoma in 2021. As you can tell, it's flooded if you've ever been to this lake before. So it looks to be at least 5 foot above. Sorry, I didn't have the camera on me. But yeah, we're going to try to come out here and catch a couple flipping fish, maybe a couple of spinnerbait fish, and we'll catch you on the chesty. Alright, this is my first spot. Kind of just stopped here because there's a bunch of crappie fishermen here and it's a wind-blown bank. And I think we're kind of moving into the post spawn, I would think. I'd like to throw into a tree. There we go. There we go. In the freaking roof. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put him in the live well. We're gonna see what our best 5 is for today. He had that extremely weird. There ought to be 1 or 2 on those trees over there. Told you there'd be 1 on there. Ew! Oh, and he broke my worm. Andrew. Number 3. He's definitely a keeper, I can tell you that. Number 3. Okay, sorry for the low light, but got off water a little bit later than I probably should have. But we're gonna weigh these bad boys in. Number 1, I think that's my tiniest. And mine, this could be the tiniest. Number 3. All right, no water in the bag, just bass. £10, 12 ounces. 10 pounds, 12 ounces. That bag. There goes the little guy. Next on the list. This was the fish that y'all didn't get to see that I hooked right at the boat ramp. And the first fish of the day. Oh, bacon. That's what I'm talking about. And she gone. There we go. Well, guys, I think that does it for this video. Just like you follow when it's flooded. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.